Bullish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $1,805.26 to $2,109.79. 454 Ethereum cost could likewise reach $2,500 soon. Bearish ETH cost expectation for 2023 is $1,291.26. In Ethereum cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ETH to break down the future development of the digital currency. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, known as Ether, is the local digital money of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain stage that changed the blockchain and DeFi area by the presentation of shrewd agreements. This second-age blockchain was sent off in 2015. Its local crypto coin, Ether, was sent off through an underlying coin offering in August 2014. The whole Ethereum network is powered by Ether. The outline of the Ethereum network was first delivered in quite a while white paper in 2013 by Ethereum Prime supporter Vitalik Buterin. Since its send-off, the blockchain-based programming stage capabilities as a possible platform for a few other crypto tokens, DeFi conventions, and various decentralized applications. Consequently, Ethereum is viewed as the world PC. The savvy contracts are coded programs that execute independently with pre-characterized conditions on Ethereum. These brilliant agreements are conveyed and executed through the Ethereum Candy Machine. Ethereum will change to the confirmation of stake agreement through the Union redesign. At first, the Ethereum network was based on the high-energy serious confirmation of work since its send-off. From 2020, the Ethereum engineers have started getting ready for the POW2POS progress. The Union overhaul is set for September 15th. After this progress, the Ether, which was an inflationary symbolic, will change over into a deflationary token. Ethereum value expectation 2023. Ethereum stands firm on the second footing on CoinGecko at this moment. ETH cost expectation 2023 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time span. The above graph of Ethereum spread out a widening wedge. The widening wedge is made by a fight between the bulls and the bears. The bulls are attempting to push the cost up, while the bears are attempting to push the value down. The hole between the upper and lower pattern lines develops rapidly as the cost moves sideways. That makes the expanding part of the name for this development. Numerous brokers enter the market too soon and wind up losing cash. Remember that assuming you exchange with the pattern, you risk being on some unacceptable side of a meeting or sell-off. It is made by defining two separating pattern boundaries that interface a progression of cost tops and troughs. The development is viewed as complete when the cost breaks outside the bullhorn shape. The pattern is typically sideways inside the growing wedge design. Presently, Ethereum is in the scope of $1,664.13. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of ETH could arrive at the opposition levels of $1,788.47 and $2,042.65. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ETH might tumble to $1,407.03. Ethereum backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Ethereum. From the above day-to-day time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Ethereum. The diagrams show that Ethereum has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, ETH could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $2,109.79. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Ethereum could fall to nearly $1,291.26, a negative sign. Ethereum value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Ethereum is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of ETH lies beneath the N line, areas of strength for demonstrating in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Ethereum is displayed in the diagram above. Eminently, Ethereum's cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upturn. As of now, ETH has entered a bullish state. In this manner, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ETH whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the ETH is 61.81. This implies that Ethereum is almost in an overbought state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of ETH might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Ethereum value forecast 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Ethereum. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Ethereum. Right now, the ADX of ETH lies in the scope of 18.68, and in this manner, it demonstrates a powerless pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record of Ethereum. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ETH lies at 50, demonstrating high instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Ethereum is at 61.81, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of ETH with BTC. The underneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of ETH is like BTC. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH likewise increments or diminishes separately. Ethereum value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. How about we anticipate the cost of Ethereum somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030? Ethereum value forecast 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Ethereum could presumably accomplish $2,700 by 2024. Ethereum value expectation 2025. With a few updates in the organization, Ethereum could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ETH could energize to hit $3,000 by 2025. Ethereum value expectation 2026. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ETH would revitalize to hit $3,200. Ethereum value expectation 2027. If Ethereum supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ETH would mobilize to hit $3,500. Ethereum value expectation 2028. If Ethereum supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ETH would energize to hit $3,900. Ethereum value expectation 2029. Ethereum holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, ETH would hit $4,200 in 2029. Ethereum value expectation 2030. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Ethereum, it would observe significant spikes. ETH could hit $4,500 by 2030. And, with non-stop enhancements in the Ethereum organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for ETH. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Ethereum in 2023 is $2,109.79. Then again, the negative value expectation of Ethereum for 2023 is $1,291.26. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Ethereum environment,